Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for east central Wabash County, Indiana, west central Huntington County in northeastern Indiana until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Andrews, Oregon, 8 miles east of Wabash, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Andrews around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Huntington, and Wabash.
Sorry, but I still don't remember where I put Pure Pole Broca. All I remember is this crazy dream with a check bat and... Wait a minute.
Alberta has declared a state of public health emergency to protect the healthcare system. New public health restrictions will be in place starting 12:01 a.m. September 16th. Please follow the rules and get vaccinated to help stop the spread of COVID-19. To learn more, visit www.alberta.ca/COVID-AB.
The Maryland State Police, at the request of Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for 9-month-old Brady Eliza Sellers, a white female further described as being 2 feet 0 inches and 27 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. The child may only be wearing a diaper. The child was last observed at approximately 10:15 hours in the area of Grantsville, Garrett County, Maryland. The child is believed to be in the company of Keith Randall Kyle, a 35-year-old white male, further described as being 5 feet 10 inches and 200 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. A possible suspect vehicle is a 2010 Mazda 3 4-door, blue in color, with orange rims and orange wipers, bearing Maryland tag 9 Edward Delta 0360. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick at 301-387-1101. Do not take action which can endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.